Hi, today in front of me POCO X5 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. Let's first hold for a while on the application and then drag this up to another one by this way. Now we can see here they created the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications. If you want to rename it, you just should open the folder, click on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. Click to OK and that's it. Just to move the folder here on the screen, you should just hold it and drag it. If you want, you can also move with the folder between the screens just by this way. Also, we can create the new screens for the folders. If you want to just remove the application from the home screen, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, you should just hold it and tap the remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. If you want to remove all of the applications in one click with the folder together, you should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will remove only the folder and you will stay with these applications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.